Hey, so I just got to Rohnert Park to visit a solar installation. I'm very excited for these homeowners to go solar. They're right at that time where they're starting to see their utility bill increase and wanted to save on their energy costs. We actually built in extra solar power kilowatt hour production into their system so that they can add air conditioning to their home, and they're thinking of changing out their water heater from a gas water heater over to an electric water heater that's on demand so that they can not waste water, which is so smart, and then the sun will power their water heater. So anyways, check out the installation. So these are the solar panels that were installed on the roof. These are Mission 350 watt panels that are made in America. They also got microinverters that are made by Enphase. Here are the homeowners with their solar panels, and the only time that they'll probably ever have pictures taken with their panels.
And this is a combiner box, so the two arrays will come into these two 20 amp breakers, and then through the AC disconnect. And the AC disconnect is tied in over here to the main service panel, and it's ran through on the other side of the garage because of that thing.
Okay, so you saw the installation. They actually have another array that's going on the back part of the house that's south facing. The roof and the front of the house is actually west facing. They're getting everything installed today. A couple of weeks they'll have their final inspection and then PTO with the utility company. We started this conversation, gosh, probably a year ago, and they wanted to wait and see what would happen with Biden being in office and seeing if things changed in their favor. But they started to notice that their rates were increasing and it was just time to go solar. So I'm very happy for them. And the other thing I wanted to let you guys know is I am uploading onto YouTube an entire series of what to expect when going solar. And you're welcome to go check out those videos so that you can get all the knowledge. A couple of things have changed in regards to the battery installation and where batteries can be installed from that video, but when they're installed inside a garage, it needs to be finished, like with sheetrock or plywood, and there has to be dedicated sprinkler heads pointing down at the batteries. This homeowner is not getting a battery right now. If they want a battery later on, they'll have to add a second system and have it tied in with the battery. Right now, it doesn't make sense for them. They don't experience very many power outages. So we just oversize their system to overproduce for them so that they have enough energy for air conditioning and all of their lifestyle right now. So just remember, your solar power, even though you have solar power, it's not unlimited power. You still need to continue living the way you used to live. Load shift from 4 to 9 p.m. and that applies to all homeowners, whether or not they have solar or not. It's just a good practice for them to make sure that they run their dishwasher or the washer and dryer or do anything that pulls a lot of energy from 4 to 9 p.m. to try and do whatever they can during 4 p.m. or after 9 p.m. when it's non-peak. Just because 4 to 9 p.m. is so expensive for the energy that you want to offset that. So that's another tip that you can do if you don't have solar and you don't want to be charged or price gouged at 33 to 37 cents a kilowatt hour for those peak hours. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. Please reach out if you're interested in solar for your home or business. I help both, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day.